Today we'll be smoking salmon, like a salmon fillet. For the rub, I have put salt, pepper, paprika, cinnamon, and some brown sugar in, and I would just sprinkle it on the fish and rub it all on your fish. I would do both sides if it's skinned. Without the skin on. If it's has the skin on, I would just do it on one side. And this, if you don't like the salt and pepper taste, like you, Dan, from Boozy Reviews, you can use garlic powder, and it'll probably be the same taste as the salt and pepper, but with a little bit of garlicky taste. Now I'll let it chill in the fridge for a few hours until I'm ready to smoke it. Smoked fish. Now that a few hours has passed, start your barbecue and put on as much wood chips as you possibly can for your smoked salmon. Smoked salmon, I would smoke the salmon no higher than 250 degrees for a good 45 minutes to an hour. You would know when it's done when it starts to flake apart when you try to pick it up. As you might can see, when I tried to flip my fish, it fell all to hell.